Sorry, not sorry.
Touchdown.
I wasn't gonna say nothing, but it's on me heavy. I promise it's getting ridiculous after this drop. Do not.
Rip me out the plastic, I been acting brand new. Bitches acting like they running shit they really ran through. I'd spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gonna fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. Through so many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. Cheap niggas make you pee, rich niggas get you home. Gave a Bentley to ballet and let that nigga dry the boat. Let me pop off. Leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks out. Herbie's from the south, you tryna see me knock your socks out. Told them bitches meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on go like Grease, she thought I would kiss her.
What's up, y'all, and welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, I go by the Fashion Dial. What's up? Welcome or welcome back. So, y'all, I think it's like June 26th. I'm about to head out and run some errands. I made a little list. I'm gonna see if I can remember what I wrote down without looking at my phone. So I made a to-do list. I want to go to Burlington to see if I could find like a chair, a makeup chair to do my makeup in. Ikea had this little white clock that I seen online that I wanted to grab for my kitchen. I need to go to the Dollar Tree to do an exchange and pick up something. Walmart to do an exchange. And I got a Target pickup order. So that's all that I have to do. I don't think I'm going to take y'all with me. I'm going to leave the camera at home because it's about to rain. I got my little one. I'm trying to be quick as possible in these stores. If I do see something like worth showing, I'll just pull out my phone and record it and show y'all. But other than that, I'm just going to leave y'all at home. Show y'all what I got once I get back. And yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. Y'all know last night I showed y'all at the beginning of the vlog, I made me a shrimp salmon salad. So good, y'all. So freaking good. Alright, y'all, let me get out of here. Alright, y'all, I'm at Walmart. Look at this cute vintage microwave. So cute. Love the color. I guess this is the box for it. They got a white and gold one. That's cute. If y'all looking for y'all 4th of July shoes, gear, Walmart got them $13.98, all colors. All right, y'all, I just made it to Ikea. Oh, and I found the parking spot, y'all. Oh, I've been getting good parking spots today. I wonder if they got the chairs here. Okay, this is what I came for. This little clock for the kitchen, only $2.99. So I'm gonna grab it. I need this mirror. I think I'm gonna come back and get it. I'm not gonna get it today, but I might need this mirror when I figure out where I'm gonna put it. Come on. Oh, look at this. Maybe you can get these for your room. I'll get you. All right, y'all, what's up? I'm back. Got my bags right here. I'm gonna show y'all what I got real quick. So I did go and exchange my blinds. Remember I was telling y'all in the little vlog I did that the blinds were like uneven. I got this little white clock I showed y'all earlier from Ikea that I'm gonna place right here. I had a red clock there a while back. I got these, the Z's always, y'all. Your girl be needing these. Uh-oh. Got that. So yeah, these the same curtains. I just exchanged them. I told y'all that. I just got like household stuff, toothpaste, dish detergent, more noodles. My kids go crazy over noodles. Y'all see the baby just standing there? I had to get another one of these, y'all, because if y'all watch the kitchen decor vlog, I have to fill in this space right here. And then I just got an extra one just in case. Then I just got an extra one just in case I may need it. Bathroom spray. And then some lashes from the Dollar Tree. I think these are called, what are these? Eiffel Tower. And yeah, y'all, that's it. Just little stuff I need around the house. Some Shout for the clothes. Carpet freshener. Feminine products, stuff like that. Oh, and I got my daughter some more gel. So I'm about to put this stuff up and I'm gonna come back and talk to y'all later. But look how it just looks so refreshing back there. It just looked so much better, y'all. And I got rid of my daughter's table, so it's more like open space. I got a, you know, I got a big kitchen. I am happy about that. Like, I hate a small kitchen, small space. But yeah, that's it, y'all. Talk to y'all later. What's up, y'all? It's June the 28th. So y'all, let me tell y'all right quick. I am really, y'all, angry, upset, frustrated. Let me tell y'all what happened yesterday. So over the weekend, I took time out to clean my kitchen, y'all. When I said I had zero energy, I had zero energy, but I got the job done. I literally started on my kitchen like 12 a.m. No, I'm sorry. I started on my kitchen 12 p.m. and got done at 12 a.m. at night. I was recording. I was hitting those angles. I was just like so proud of my work. Like, I cannot wait to put the video out. Y'all, when I tell y'all, I deleted the fucking footage. I'm so upset with myself because my iPad keep running out of space. I'm not able to like download my videos, save my videos. So I was having a hard time. So I was like, okay, let me delete some stuff. And y'all, my videos go to my files. Long story short, I ended up deleting them. And I was just like so upset. Like, to the point where I was like, fuck it, I'm about to give up on vlogging. Like, this shit just ain't for me. Like, why? What is going on? Like, why? Like, I'm still hurt, y'all, over the situation. Like, yesterday, I literally spent all day trying to get that video up for y'all, and it didn't work out. So, I got a little footage left. I'm just going to insert it in the next clip. Y'all going to see me prepping the kitchen a little. I guess the counters, but I don't know if y'all can see. This is like the finishing look, but like I said, I'll insert some clips. I need a laptop ASAP. Now, I need to do my research. If y'all know some good laptops, drop it below. Of course, I want an Apple. Is it the MacBook or the MacBook Pro? Is that what's popping? Is that gonna help me get my work done? You know what I'm saying? I need something with enough gigabytes, and I want to be able to edit. That's what I mainly need it for, because I got a laptop, but the shit is old, y'all. It's like an old HP from back in the day. And yeah, I had been stopped using it once my I think I had got like a virus a long time ago, and I never got it. Oop, never got the virus off. But I'm so upset, y'all. I need a bigger spoon. Alright. I just want to tell y'all I've been through hell and back. And oh God. I don't know. I want to cry again. So I'm gonna talk to y'all soon.
I'm F-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga cheap. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Y'all been hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. I'm F-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga cheap. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Y'all been hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. Slow, baby, hopping out in red light, twerking on them headlights. Got my foot up on they neck as a bitch shooting star. On time, I'm F-R-E-E, nigga free. That means I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga shit. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. I'm F-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That means I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga shit. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends.
So I'm back. Y'all probably watched the clip already of me, you know, getting my kitchen together. If you are new here, you might have to go back and watch an old video to see like what the countertop looked like. I did do a before and after, but like I said, that was deleted, so I hate that. But it was ugly. It was yellow and it's wood, and I never liked it. So yeah, so like I said, it looked way better. So I'm gonna just give y'all an overview because I wasn't able to do that. So these are from Burlington and I think they were like $16.99. So I got these curtains from Walmart. It's like a wheat color. These were like $14, I believe. I got the eat signs from Amazon. These will be linked in my storefront. Got this spoon holder from TJ Maxx. I think it was like $3.99 probably. The wooden bowl is from, where's this from? Home Goods. I paid $10 for this. I got this from TJ Maxx for $13. The utensil holder I got from JCPenney for $20. It's now on sale for $17, y'all. The wooden spoons are from TJ Maxx. I believe those were $7.99. This little brush, cleaning brush, was like $3.49 probably. I got this, I believe, $10 at TJ Maxx. And then I got this wooden paper towel holder from TJ Maxx. Some of these items are linked on my like to know or my Amazon storefront. So click the link and you can find similar items or the same items. These are from Amazon, y'all. They no longer have these. I did find something similar. So if you are interested, like I said, click the link. And that's it, y'all. Then the countertop, I also have this linked. The little wallpaper is from Walmart. I ended up putting my microwave right here. It used to be over here. I just put the dish tray here, a little plant in the middle, not in the middle, in the back. That's pretty much it. Oh, and my clock, y'all. Y'all went with me to get my clock, Ikea. I hope the vlog wasn't all over the place. It was all over the place, but I still hope you enjoyed the vlog, y'all. I'm about to probably end this vlog because I'm working on another vlog for y'all. It's gonna be better, and I'm gonna make sure I'm not deleting shit, and I'm gonna make sure I go get me a damn laptop. I felt like, man, I wasted money with the iPad, but then again, I didn't, because like when I travel, I like to watch my little shows and listen to my music. So that's what I'm gonna use it for instead of editing. Well, this is it for my show. Hope you come back and play. All right. Oh my God, I'm still pissed. Give this video a thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please engage with your girl in the comment section below and like my videos. That will help me out a lot, y'all. It is free to like it. If you like my content, it is free. I appreciate y'all. We almost on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, it's bittersweet, y'all. I'm kind of excited, but I'm not, because I'm like, I've been doing this shit way too long. But then again, everybody's journey is different, so I'm thankful, you know, for the followers I do have and the people that do support. So I'm not gonna complain at all. So yeah, see you guys.